English-Tagalog sentences using very. I am very happy today. Napakasaya ko ngayon. It's a very small window. Napakaliit na bintana. You're a very interesting person. Napaka-interesante mong tao. You're a very meticulous person. Napaka-mitikuloso mong tao. I don't like very dark color. Ayaw ko sa sobrang maitim na kulay. She's very angry. Hide now. Galit na galit siya. Magtago ka na. We're very lucky to have you in our lives. Napakaswerte namin kasi meron kaming gaya mo. I am very willing to help. Handa akong tumulong. This is very difficult. I can't do it. Napakahirap naman ito. Hindi ko kayang gawin. Her father is very rich, but stingy. Napakayaman ng tatay niya, pero kuripot. He's a very nice person to me. Napakabuting tao niya sa akin. I don't know him very well. Hindi ko siya masyadong kilala. At this very moment, we need to talk. Sa pagkakataong ito, kailangan nating mag-usap. This one is very different. Sobrang kakaiba ng isang ito. He has a very bad attitude. Napakasama ng ugali niya. That's a very nice idea. Napakagandang ideya iyan. You have a very special gift. May napaka-espesyal kang regalo. It doesn't sound very nice. Hindi siya magandang pakinggan. You're a very good friend. Isa kang napakabuting kaibigan. We haven't seen each other for a very long time. Matagal na tayong hindi nagkikita. You have a very pretty house. Ang ganda ng bahay mo. I think it's very small. Sa tingin ko, napakaliit niyan. Very well. You're doing it right. Magaling. Tama yung ginagawa mo. I think it's very unusual. Sa palagay ko, ito ay napakapangkaraniwan. This is my very first time riding in a bike. Ito ang pinakaunang beses na sumakay ako sa bisikleta. She wasn't very convincing. Hindi siya masyadong kapani-paniwala. This is very good. Ang galing naman ito. I am very sorry. I didn't mean it. Pasensya na talaga. Hindi ko sinasadya. Maybe they don't get along very well. Siguro, hindi sila masyadong nakikihalubilo. You have a very bad smell. Ang sama ng amoy mo. This house is very quiet. I can't hear anything. Ang tahimik naman ng bahay na ito, wala akong marinig.